Good morning everyone and welcome to the class. We are doing question answers from the chapter 2 in history, from hunting, gathering to growing food. We have done some of the questions and today we will do other questions. So we have done up to Paleolithic period in the previous class. So today first of all we are doing extra questions. Now, the question is, what do you mean by Mesolithic? Mesolithic is Middle Stone Age, है ना? So, what do you mean by Mesolithic? These are one more question. Mesolithic is Middle Stone Age. And next question is, what is considered to be the duration of Mesolithic period? क्या है duration? Duration is from 12,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago. This is the duration of Mesolithic period. And now one more question from this period only, and that is, what do you mean by microliths? है ना? Microliths क्या है? As we have discussed during the class that during the Mesolithic period, stone tools are found which are tiny, which are small in size, which are tiny, and these tiny stone tools were probably stuck on to handles of bone or wood, है ना? तो these tiny tools are known as microliths. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? What do you mean by microliths? Microliths, you will write stone tools which are found from a Mesolithic period are tiny and these are called microliths. ठीक है? These microliths were probably stuck onto handles of bones or wood to make tools such as saws and sickles. Okay, ये आपका आंसर होगा. What do you mean by microliths? Yes, what do you mean by microliths? And the next question is, what is Neolithic? Yeah, what do you mean by Neolithic? Neolithic is new stone age, है ना? What do you mean by Neolithic? Neolithic is new stone age, and when it started. The next question: when did Neolithic period start? So your answer will be, the Neolithic period started 10,000 years ago, about 10,000 years ago. Okay, so this is about the Mesolithic and Neolithic period. And now we will see other question, like a very important question is what major changes in the climate of the world started to occur around 12,000 year ago, है ना? क्या major changes आए world के climate में? So I am writing down the question. Question is what major changes occurred in the climate of the world about 12,000 years ago. क्या हुआ मेजर चेंज यही हुआ कि the climate of the world shifted to relatively warm condition, है ना? So what will be your answer? Your answer will be that about 12,000 years ago the climate of the world shifted to relatively warm conditions. Okay, and now another question, we will see that what was the impact of change in what was the impact of change in the climate of the world about 12,000 years ago? So first of all you must understand the question. The question is what was the impact? Impact का मतलब असर, क्या असर हुआ, जो भी चेंज आया एनवायरनमेंट में अराउंड 12,000 ईयर्स अगो, तो उस चेंज का क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ, जो टेम्परेचर राइज किया है ना, रिलेटिवली वार्म कंडीशंस हो गए, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ? क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ इसके हम लोग इम्पैक्ट ये लिखेंगे कि because of change in the climate of the world, the development of grassland occurred. ठीक है, because of change in the climate of the world, development of grassland occurred, and this led to an increase in the number of those animals who survived on grass. Okay, तो ये आपका इसका आंसर हो जाता है. ठीक है, and now we move to next question. So the next question is how the hunters became farmers, है ना? किस तरह से, हाउ डिड द हंटर बिकम फार्मर, जो अभी तक हंटर था वो फार्मर कैसे बना, ये थोड़ा सा आपका लेंदी आंसर होगा, ठीक है। And I am going to write down the answer also of this question because ये question थोड़ा सा आपके लिए comparatively थोड़ा टफ होगा, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें मैंने समझाया है ना, एंड होपफुली आपको समझ में भी आया है, बट लिखने में यू मे बी इन ट्रबल, सो आई एम राइटिंग डाउन द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. The question is, how did the hunters become farmers? Around है ना, how did the hunters become farmers around 12,000 years ago? So we will write down answer in points, है ना. First of all, what happened, that due to warm climate, the due to warm climate, the grain bearing grasses, or we can say due to warm weather, due to warm weather conditions, okay, due to warm weather, WEATHER, due to warm weather conditions, CONDITIONS, the grain bearing grasses started to grow on their own. है ना, जो वेदर कंडीशंस चेंज हुए, बिकॉज ऑफ दोज चेंज्ड वेदर कंडीशंस, व्हाट हैपेंड दैट ग्रेन बियरिंग ग्रासेस स्टार्टेड टू ग्रो ऑन देयर ओन, ठीक है. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड दैट people collected these grains, because वो गैदरिंग तो कर ही रहे थे, है ना, तो they collected these grains as food and learned, कलेक्ट भी किया और सीखा भी. क्या सीखा? learned where they grow, and when they ripened, है ना, कहाँ पर वो ग्रो करते हैं, उनके लिए सुटेबल कंडीशंस क्या है, और कब वो राइप होते हैं, when they ripened, ठीक है. इस तरह से लोगों ने सीखा, एंड not we it is काइंड ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी हमें कहीं एविडेंस नहीं मिला है, बट ऐसा ही लगता है कि ऑल दीज मे हैव लेड देम टू थिंक अबाउट ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स ऑन देयर ओन एंड इन दिस वे दे बिकम फार्मर, है ना. सो ऑल दीज डेवलपमेंट्स, all these developments led them to think about growing plants on their own. And in this way, last में concluding line आपको लिखना होगा, and in this way people became farmers. Okay. In this way people became farmers. Okay, now we switch to next question. So you copy down this answer. Okay, ये आंसर आप लोग कॉपी कर लीजिए. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो ये है कि नेम द फर्स्ट एनिमल टू बी named by to be tamed by people. So the first animal is wild ancestors of dog. ठीक है, डॉग के जो वाइल्ड एंसेस्टर्स थे. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एंसेस्टर्स? एंसेस्टर्स जो वे हमारे जो पूर्वज होते हैं, जिन्होंने हमसे पहले जन्म लिया है, दोज हु हैव टेकन बर्थ बिफोर अस, दे आर आर पूर्वज. जैसे हमारे ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडफादर के ग्रैंडफादर, वो दे आर द एंसेस्टर्स. तो the first animal to be tamed was the wild ancestors of dog. Okay. The question is, name the first animal to be tamed by human beings. इंसानों ने कौन से पहले एनिमल को टेम किया, पालतू बनाया? आंसर इज, यू कैन राइट आंसर ऑन योर ओन, है ना. द वाइल्ड एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ डॉग वर द फर्स्ट एनिमल्स टू बी was the first animal to be tamed by people or by human being. ठीक है, wild ancestor of the dog was the first animal to be tamed by human being. Okay, and now we see the next question. How people became herder, है ना. जैसे हमने फार्मर देखा कि कैसे बने, वैसे ही हर्डर भी बना, क्योंकि हमने ये जो स्विच हो रहा है वो कैसे है, क्या है. पहले तो हंटर एंड गैदरर थे पीपल, एंड नाउ पीपल आर बिकमिंग फार्मर्स एंड हर्डर्स. तो हमने देख लिया कि फार्मर कैसे बनते, अब हम देखेंगे कि कैसे लोग हर्डर बने, है ना. हाउ डिड people become herder. ये एक next question है, इसका भी answer I am going to write on the answer as well. Okay. How did people become herder? Okay. So the first point is due to warm weather conditions, grasslands developed है ना, grassland developed which led to the increase INCREASE, which led to the increase in the number of grass eating animals और grass grazing animals भी आप लिख सकते हो, grass eating animals. Okay, like deer, goat, sheep, etc. Like deer, goat, sheep, cattle, etc. Now सेकेंड स्टेज में क्या हुआ? पहला स्टेज तो ये हुआ कि ग्रासलैंड का डेवलपमेंट हुआ, and with this development in the grassland the number of grass grazing animals also increased. And now what happened that people started to follow these animals and they started to learn about their food habits and their breeding season, है ना. तो हम लोग लिखेंगे people started to learn about their food habits and their breeding seasons. ये तो हुआ कि लोग उनको ऑब्जर्व करना स्टार्ट कर दी. उसके बाद लोगों ने और क्या किया? उसके बाद लोगों ने क्या किया कि उनको अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू अट्रैक्ट these animals, they started leaving food for them near their shelter, है ना. And in this way people started to become herder, है ना. एनिमल्स को टेम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया उन्होंने. सो the next point is people attracted these animals. People started to attract. People started to attract started to attract these animals by leaving food for them. By leaving food for them near their shelter. And thus people become herder. Thus people became herders. ठीक है, ये आपका आंसर हो गया. And now we see the next question. You copy down this question, this answer. Okay. Now we see the next question. Like one of the question will be why people needed to store grains. जो ग्रेन इंसान जब इंसान फार्मर बन जाता है तो वो जो ग्रेन ग्रो कर रहा था उन ग्रेन्स को स्टोर करने की जरूरत महसूस हुई, क्यों, है ना. वाई आई एम राइटिंग डाउन द क्वेश्चन. ये आपने लिख लिया है. The question is, why did people need to store grains? Answer is, people needed to store grains for food and seed. ठीक है, people needed to store grains for food and seed. Okay, and now there can be another question from this section only, like how people stored the grains. How did people store the grains? So in order to store the grains, people started making large clay pots, है ना. कैसे वो, you can write down like this, कि people stored the grains in the following manner. First point, they made large clay pots. Second point, they wove baskets. Third point, they dug pits into the ground, है ना. These were the ways through which people started to store the grains, है ना. They made large clay pots, they wove baskets, they dug pits into the ground, and third is also fourth point can also be written that people also used animals which were reared as a store of food. हमने देखा था ना कि वो एनिमल्स को खिला पिला के रखते थे और उनकी जो भी उनसे जैसे मिल्क मिल रहा है तो वो मिल्क को भी यूज़ करते थे, और अगर कभी ज़रूरत पड़ी तो उनको वो फूड की तरह भी यूज़ करते थे. तो फोर्थ पॉइंट जो होगा कि स्टोर कैसे करते थे, उसमें जो हमारा चौथा पॉइंट है वो यही है कि पीपल यूज्ड एनिमल ऑल्सो एज अ स्टोर ऑफ फूड. ठीक है, एंड नाउ नेम सम नियोलिथिक साइट्स. आपको नियोलिथिक साइट्स के नाम बताने हैं जो कि हमने क्लास में डिस्कस किया था, जिसमें बुर्जहम है ना, देन चिरंग है, पय्यमपल्ली है, मेड़गढ़ है ना, दार्जिलिंग हेडिंग है. इस तरह से आपके बहुत सारे साइट्स हैं नियोलिथिक के, वो आपको लिखना होगा. नेम सम नियोलिथिक साइट्स एंड वेयर डिड पीपल बिल्ड पिट हाउसेस. कहाँ पर लोग पिट हाउसेस बनाते थे? इट वॉज इन बुर्जहम, प्रेजेंट डे कश्मीर, नियोलिथिक साइट जो है. Where did people live in pit houses? This is Burjaham. The answer is Burjaham. ठीक है. इसी तरह से एक और क्वेश्चन है जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हाउ टूल्स वर मेड इन नियोलिथिक पीरियड. हाउ was tools made in Neolithic period. So कैसे टूल्स बनते थे? टूल्स तो स्टोन के ही बनते थे, है ना. टूल्स वर मेड ऑफ स्टोन ओनली, बट in Neolithic period what happened that these tools were polished and these tools have a fine cutting edge. यही आपका आंसर होगा. How was tools made in Neolithic period? Tools were made of stones, first point. Then in second point you will write that in Neolithic period the tools were polished. And in third point you can write that the tools have a fine cutting edge. And in fourth point you can write one of the most important tools of this time was mortars and pestles which were used for grinding grains. ठीक है, ये आपके ये 4 पॉइंट्स के साथ ये टूल्स वाला आंसर होगा. ठीक है. और इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन है वो तुम्हारा टेक्स्ट बुक में था, उसको हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर लिया. सो वी हैव डन द चैप्टर. ओके. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल स्टार्ट civics. So all of you be ready for that.